Hi guys, welcome to Pen to Fun. This is our monthly tip. My name is Revi, and I'm gonna teach you how to do like a galaxy type, which will do just a night sky. This is a painting we did, and in the past it has markers and pencil. But what I want you to see is the galaxy here that we created with texture, and we just flick about a lot of paint to create this. So that's what I want to show you. So what you need obviously is acrylic. You need hard brushes and soft. So I'm gonna use a hard brush and a soft one. I'm also gonna use a toothbrush. You know how you get in the plane, small toothbrush, I always use those. And of course your acrylic palette. So you see you can have all the colors that you want. You don't have to use it for galaxy, it can be for anything that you desire. But I'm gonna do a night. So first what I'll do, which is the easiest, is just cover the whole canvas or the area that I want in the colors. Because what happens if I just do tapping all the way, it's really exhausting and takes a lot of time. Okay? So I'm gonna start with black and move down to blue, or you can do the other way around. Okay, so I just did half of the canvas. So you see how I go from black to blue. I don't wash the brush because I want to create this texture, and also when it's combined, that's where you're getting shades. Okay, so now you can take your hard brush and start tapping. You can do it with the soft one, but you kind of gonna ruin it. So whenever we do tapping or texture, we always bring these ones because they're just easier not to destroy and easier to create that texture. So I can take a little bit of white, for example, and just go around, wash the brush. Now this is really important. Once your brush is dry, pretty dry, just just a little bit wet and clean, you can just blend the white in, and then you get like nice texture that it's not that obvious with the white. You see how I'm just tapping, 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 tapping. If you work on an easel, always hold the canvas because the easel may quick. Like this. And then I can work with other paints as well. So take the blue and put some more blue. Take the black and put more black. But you see I'm moving fast to create this texture. Another thing I can do, I can take a completely different color and put it, for example, I have pink. Now pink and blue, you get a little bit of purple. So if I don't want to see the pink, then I can just tap it a bit, create another shade. And then it looks a bit like galaxy or maybe clouds. Just play with it. Choose 3 colors that works together and just play with it. That's pretty much it. If you don't like what you did, you take a brush, wipe it, start again. It's that easy, right? So, how do I do stars? This is why we have this. So, I want you to take, you can take even a cup, but let's say I will take this one. Put some water. I put some water and paint, and I'm going to mix it together. So if I want to do flicking, it's really hard to do it on, just with very, very thick paint. But when you do have something like this, I hope you can see. And what I do is I just flick. How fun is that? Very messy though. So if you do it at home, well, maybe don't do it at home. Maybe do it outside or somewhere you don't mind, because I don't know if you can see, but it can go on your clothes, on the floor, on the wall, on your husband. So you can just do it just on the floor, flat. So instead of easel, put it on the floor, cover the table, do it, and then there's less earth. It will splash everywhere. But it's so much fun. Doesn't it look great? And then you can take a tiny brush. You see this one? So this is pretty small and it's rounded, so it's easy and nice to play with. And now you can just take the big ones and create kind of stars or pyramids. You can do a moon. Take the white, and you can do a moon here. Run. And you get a night sky, which takes like 10 minutes and a lot of fun. So yeah, try it at home, share with us, and check out our calendar of event. We do many classes, so in each class you can learn different technique. Every class we do bring, if it's palette knife, if it's sponges, if we do flicking, we teach you all this technique that you can just grow your interest and hobby. You don't have to be an artist to try it. There's no right or wrong. You can just have fun, paint for fun. Anyway, thank you for watching, and share with us the results, and that will encourage us to make more of these videos. Cheers!